Hello, it's Mama Mo and the kid. On this beautiful day, we're showing you Manitoulin Island, the world's largest freshwater island, and it's right here in Canada. We're sharing our 12 sightseeing highlights, but this is just part 1. Make sure to watch all the videos in this 3-part series. Manitoulin Island is known as Spirit Island, where it's known that a powerful spirit once lived. The first highlight was the Little Current Swing Bridge. We were lucky to see it open up. In daylight hours, on the hour, it opens up for 15 minutes to let marine traffic through. There it goes. It's about to close again to let through the road traffic. Here are the cars leaving the island, and now it's our turn to get in. Big shout out to the 2 young lovely ladies at the information center. If you don't have a map, get it from here. Highlight number 2, Cup and Saucer Trail in Sheguyanda. I highly recommend this, so watch part 2 to see our hike. Sightseeing highlight number 3, Bridal Veil Falls in Cagayan. It was great to go behind the falls. And if you get hungry, there's a truck selling hot dogs across the street. Highlight 4 is having a picture taken in Gorbay's big chair. And grab a glimpse of the marina as well. Manitoulin Island is surrounded by water, so make sure to see some lighthouses. Highlight number 5, Janet Head Lighthouse in Gorbay. Highlight 6, Providence Bay Beach. Not only the kid, but kids at heart will surely enjoy some time at the beach. If you are enjoying this video, please like and share. Highlight number 7, Deer Sighting. There are lots of deers all over. We saw some in Little Current. Highlight number 8, Fresh Fish and Chips. They're all over Manitoulin Island. Make sure to try them. Highlight number 9, Idyllic Small Town Feel of Little Current. This kind of represents Manitoulin Island, where everything is a slow pace. Everyone is so friendly. It's all over Manitoulin Island. Highlight number 10, Island Roots Flower Farm in Mnidoo Mnis. Highlight 11, Humble Bee's Honey. We found this on the road in Tecoma. In part 3, you'll see more on the flowers and bees that we encountered. Before we knew it, it was time to leave. And our final highlight, looking for Nokshok or Nokshok. These are the man-made stone structures or landmarks that you will see along the way. We saw and experienced many things in Manitoulin Island. But there's still so much more to explore. We'll be back. And remember, watch parts 2 and 3